Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. Now I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is matrix. If A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then A plus A dash equal to I. Here it is asked to find the value of alpha. Here what are the conditions here to, that is A, the matrix A is given. The matrix A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Then the another condition what is given as A plus A dash equal to I. So here we have to find A dash. Here we have to find A dash. A dash, what is A dash? That is we have to change this one. That is cos alpha and cos alpha. Then here we have to change the sign alone. That is sin alpha and here minus sin alpha. That's all. This is A dash. So A dash is cos alpha. Then here we have to change the sign alone. That is sin alpha minus sin alpha. Then now we have to given that is A plus A dash equal to I. So here we have to write A plus A dash. That is cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then plus A dash. A dash is what? That is cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Equal to what is given? That is the identity matrix. Identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 because it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Therefore 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you have to add. That is cos alpha plus cos alpha. That is 2 cos alpha. Then here minus sin alpha. Here plus sin alpha. Therefore it is 0. Then sin alpha minus sin alpha. It is 0. Then cos alpha, that is 2 cos alpha. That is equal to, what you get? 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now here 2 cos alpha, you have to take outside means 1, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, what you get? 2 cos alpha equal to 1. 2 cos alpha equal to 1. Therefore, cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. When it is cos alpha is 1 by 2, that is equal to pi by 3. So it is we can write here it is cos pi by 3. So what is the value of alpha? Alpha equal to pi by 3. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.